The XWT target retrieval system from InVeris has been in operation for over 10 years and is servicing thousands of satisfied customers around the globe. The XWT system is a self-contained target carrier which houses the motor, communications, and power source all in one. The XWT utilizes a lithium-ion battery which can allow for a full day of training without the need to recharge. The XWT is a 360-degree turning target system that allows presentation of edge, friend, or foe, allowing for shoot, no-shoot scenarios. The target retrieval system can travel at any combination of 4 speeds down the rail. Both the presentation and speed functions can be programmed locally in the booth or on the master control computer using either the RM9K or 10K software. The user interface is simple to use no matter what your level of skill is. The XWT target retrieval system incorporates a 3/8-inch AR-500 front prow, which will deflect rounds coming at the carrier itself. The bullets that do hit the target system are going to be deflected downrange and not back towards the shooter, so it's a very safe and reliable target system. While the XWT is our top-of-the-line product, InVeris also offers 2 reliable, high-value options for target retrieval systems. Our intermediate level system is the XCT, which is a non-turning target system that rides on a metal rail. The XCT user interface offers the shooter 6 preset distances as well as simple forward and back controls. The CEB is an entry-level system that consists of a motor-driven trolley on a top cable which allows the shooter to operate by a simple forward and back toggle switch.